Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to perform a magic. Do you know you can have all your control panel settings in one folder instead of going to your control panel and going section by section looking for one setting? You can just have them centralized in one folder. This is called God mode. So let's begin. The first step is to create a new folder, new folder. Then we rename the folder to this code. For the God mode, you can change it to any name, either my settings or anything. So we paste it here, then enter. So now let's refresh. Now we have our control panel here. You can see we have the settings here. So let's test it and see. Let's add all for different time zone. So let's use second one. Say God mode clock, apply, and OK. You can see God mode clock. Here's the time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.